Up next, we have Emerging Innovative Residential Project of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Vanshika Life Spaces Private Limited. I invite Mr. Mohan Babu Krishnam, founder and managing director, and Mr. Harish Krishnam, director. Led by visionaries Mr. Mohan Babu Krishnam and Mr. Harish Krishnam. This project features Balinese themed villa-style entries and eco-conscious infrastructure, along with vastu-compliant planning. Vanshika Group aims to develop not just residential communities, but how the future should live. Many congratulations to you.